Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an inventory item in Xero. This is essential for keeping track of your products and services, ensuring accurate invoicing and financial records for your business. Let's get started with this straightforward process. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the Xero homepage, locate the sign-in section and enter your credentials. Type in your email address in the first field, followed by your password in the second field. After you've entered both, click the Sign In button to access your account dashboard. Once you're signed in, you'll be on your Xero dashboard. Look up at the top navigation menu where you'll find several options. Click on Sales, which will trigger a drop-down menu to appear. This menu contains all the sales-related features and tools you'll need for managing your business transactions. From the drop-down menu that just appeared, click on Products and Services. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can view and manage all the items you currently sell or offer through your Xero account. This page is your central hub for inventory management, giving you an overview of everything in your catalog. On the Products and Services page, you'll see a complete list of all your existing products and services. To add a new inventory item, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the New Item button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up the item creation page where you'll input all the necessary details for your new product. Now you're on the New Item creation page, and this is where you'll add all the specific information about your inventory item. Start by entering a code for the item in the first field. This code helps you quickly identify the product in your system. Right next to it, type in the item name. Make sure this name is clear and descriptive, so it's easily recognizable in your records and on invoices. Next, you'll need to set up the purchase details for this item. Click the checkbox next to the purchase field. By checking this box, you're indicating that this item will appear on purchase orders and other purchase transactions. Once checked, you'll see additional fields appear. Enter the cost price of the item, which is what you pay to acquire it. Below that, select the associated purchase account from the drop-down menu. This ensures the expense is recorded in the correct account. Then fill in the appropriate tax rate that applies to this purchase. Now let's move to the sales side of things. Click on the Sell checkbox to enable this section. Similar to the purchase section, this will reveal additional fields for you to complete. Enter the sale price, which is the amount you'll charge your customers for this item. Next, select the associated sales account from the drop-down menu to ensure the revenue is properly categorized. Add the applicable tax rate for sales as well. Finally, in the description field, provide a clear and detailed description of the item. This description will appear on your invoices, so make it informative for your customers. Once you've filled in all the required information and double-checked that everything is accurate, scroll down to the bottom of the New Item window. You'll see a Save button there. Click on Save to finalize the creation of your new inventory item. Your item will now be added to your Xero account and will be available for use in all your sales and purchase transactions. And that's it. You've successfully added an inventory item in Xero, making it easier to manage your products and maintain accurate financial records. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.